discussing about network topology. First off, what is network topology? Network topology is about the arrangement of the elements, like for example, link, nodes, and etc. in a communication network. What are the types of network topology? First off, we have bus topology. In bus topology, it is for a local area network in which all of the nodes are connected to only one single cable. That can affect everything when the main cable falls down. Next we'll be discussing is star topology. A star topology is a topology for LAN in which all of the nodes are connected to one single central point, in which usually takes more cables but has the benefit of when one cable will be affected, the rest of it will not be affected by it.
A ring topology is a network configuration where device connection create a circular data path. Second, a mesh topology is a network setup where each computer and network device interconnected with one another. Third, a tree topology is a network configuration where many connected elements are arranged like a branch of tree. Lastly, hybrid topology is a network setup that uses two or more different network topologies.
I will be discussing about network devices. Number 1. Hub. A hub is a physical layer of networking device which is used to connect multiple devices in a network. They are generally used to connect computers in a LAN. A hub has many ports in it. A computer which intends to be connected to the network is plugged into one of these. Switch. Switch are intelligent devices. Devices connect locally through switches. They are key building blocks for any network. A switch is a device that connects other devices together, which enables connected devices to share information and talk to each other. Routers. Networks are connected to other networks through routers. Routers store information about the networks they are connected to. They are also used to divide internal networks into two or more sub-networks. Routers can also be connected internally to other routers, creating zones that create independent modem. Modem is a device that enables a computer to send or receive data over telephone or cable lines. This data stored on the computer is digital, whereas a telephone line or cable wire can transmit only analog data. The main function of the modem is to convert digital signal into analog and vice versa.
Now, I'm going to explain to you what the different types of network communications are. But first, let me elaborate the concept of network communications. What is network communication? Network communication is a pattern of direction in which information flows in the organization. Channels of communication are either formal or informal communication. There are three different types of network communication. The first one is intranet. It is a private network within an organization that resembles the internet. Organizations use intranets to provide information to their employees. Typical applications include electronic telephone directories, email addresses, employee information, internal job openings, and much more. This is an example of a formal network because it is exclusive only for those who are working inside the company. It contains confidential information that are not meant to be leaked outside the company. So the next type of network communication is extranet. It is a private network that connects more than one organizations. Many organizations use their internet technologies to allow suppliers, business partners, and customers limited access to their network. The purpose of the extranet is to reduce cost and increase efficiency. This network is meant for external use. It means that the information circulating around the extranet can be shared to other people who is involved in a specific business or organization. It can allow more business opportunities and it can lessen the expenses of a company. The last type of network communication is internet. Internet is the network communication that we commonly use. It is a public network because it is a worldwide collection of network that links millions of business, government agencies, educational institutions, and individuals. Internet is the mean of communication that we use nowadays in the modern times.
Two of the most used types of network architecture are peer-to-peer and client-server network. A peer-to-peer network is created when two or more PCs are connected and share resources without going to a separate server computer. A client-server network is designed for end users called clients to access resources such as files, song, video collection, or some other service from a central computer called a server.
Four different types of network. First is personal area network. It is a computer network used for interconnecting electronic devices centered on an individual person's working space. Second is local area network. It is a computer network that interconnects computer within a limited area such as residence, school, or office buildings. Third is metropolitan area network. It is a computer network that interconnects users with computer resources in geographic region of the size of metropolitan area. Fourth is a wide area network. It is a communication network that extends over a large geographic area for primary purposes of computer network.
Next one is the network firewall. The network firewall is the first line of defense for traffic that passes in and out of a network. The intention behind network firewall is that they filter internet transmission so that only traffic that belongs is allowed into an organization. Now let's know what is a network interface. A network interface is the point of interconnection between a computer and a public or private network. It also connects your computer into a local data network or the internet. It translates computer into electrical signals it sends through the network. The signals are compatible with the network so computers are reliably exchange information.